What are y'all making, mud angels? Yeah. Oh, I think you're gonna make it. Oh no, Holly! Oh, you're stuck! Today, we're gonna do a mud video to see which of these 3 tractors is the best in the mud. And if we get stuck, look. And we'll use that tractor just in case we get stuck. Which one do y'all think is gonna be the best?
Mine.
Holly's?
Yeah.
You think this one, Hudson? Well, let's see. Let's go on a mudding adventure. Y'all ready? Oh! Go, Holly, go! Wait for me! We've reached our first obstacle, super deep water and mud. Which tractor do y'all want to take first?
I have the blue one.
We'll take the blue one together. Hudson, which one? You gonna go on your green one first?
I'm gonna go on this one.
Okay, y'all wanna go on the blue one together? Okay. Let's see if y'all can do it. All right, let's see it. Go ahead. Oh, it's getting deep. Oh, I think you're gonna make it. Y'all made it, guys. So the blue one made it all the way to the end. You wanna try your green tractor, Hudson?
Yeah.
Let's see how far it makes it. Is that deep and muddy?
Yep. How my feet are muddy.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Washing off.
So the blue one made it all the way across. Hudson's gonna go first and Holly's gonna follow him. Let's see if they make it. Go ahead. Oh, look at how deep it is. Go, go, go. Go, Hudson, go. Oh, go. You're gonna make it. Push him, Holly, push him. Uh-oh. Oh. You're gonna make it, but Holly's stuck! Oh, go, Holly, go! You're gonna make it too, maybe! Go, go, go! Hey, high five, you made it! There you go! Oh, you got Bubba!
Holly!
So all the tractors made it to the very end, but you know what that means?
Yeah.
That means we need a harder obstacle and deeper mud and deeper water. You wanna go find some?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
It's so muddy.
It's deep. I don't know how y'all's tractors made it through this. Oh, you almost fell down. So we made it to our new obstacle, a super muddy path. And I bet you they're gonna get stuck. So we're gonna have Holly go first in the orange tractor and see how far she gets. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
All right, Holly, go ahead, we'll wait. How far is she gonna make it, Hudson? Uh-oh, she's already getting stuck, it looks like. Uh-oh. Oh no, Holly. Oh, you're stuck. You made it right here, okay?
Yeah.
All right, Hudson's next. So this is how far Holly's tractor made it. Hudson, can you go farther? Let's see. Oh, it made it a little farther. He's still going. Oh, he's stuck. So that's how far Hudson's tractor made it. So this is where Holly's tractor made it. This is where Hudson's tractor made it. The blue one, how far can you go?
I don't know.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, I made it the farthest. Go, 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 all the way to the end. Almost. What are y'all making, mud angels?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, wait, no.
Thank you guys for watching. It looks like the blue one won, green one second place, the orange one last place. Also, we have an Instagram. I'll put it in the description below. Go follow it, right?
Yeah.
Make sure you guys thumbs up, like, subscribe, watch more of our videos. Bye. I'm stuck.